This video mainly introduces how to use computing, virtualization-related resources including data centers, clusters, and hosts. The data center is the largest resource namespace in the platform. Click Create a new data center, fill in the data center name and data center description, and click OK to complete the creation. Right-click Data Center 2 and select Edit Name and Description to re-edit the name and description. Click Overview on the Data Center 2 page to view information, such as resource topology and capacity info. Click the Actions drop-down list, select Delete, and confirm again in the pop-up reminder bar to delete the data center. Note, deleting a data center will delete resources, such as clusters, hosts, networks, and data storage, as well as all sub-resources under each resource, such as virtual machines. Please operate with caution. A cluster is a sub-resource under a data center consisting of one or more hosts. The process of creating a cluster and host is as follows. Click New Cluster, fill in the name and introduction of the data center. Select CPU architecture, keep the advanced setting part as default. Finally, click OK to complete the creation. Right-click Cluster 1 to reconfigure the cluster or delete the cluster. Note, deleting a cluster will delete all hosts under the cluster. If local storage is loaded, all virtual machines and snapshots on the host will be deleted at the same time, so please operate with caution. Left-click to enter the specific configuration of the cluster. The host is a sub-resource under the cluster, which can run one or more virtual machines. Click Add Host to add a host, complete the host name, introduction, cluster the host belongs to, and the tag you want to bind in the basic info project. As for the host information configuration, including adding method, IP address, and range configuration, you can add a single or multiple hosts. Take adding a single host as an example. Fill in the host IP address, port host port, default is 22, username host username, default is root and password. Other information configurations remain default. Click OK to complete the new creation. Click Host 1 to view detailed information such as capacity info and basic info. Right-click Host 1 to modify the host configuration. Click Enter Web Terminal, enter username and password first, and enter the terminal for configuration after success. In addition, you can reconfigure IPMI info and update information, including IP, port, username, etc. Finally, you can choose to delete the host. Note, if the cluster to which the host belongs has loaded shared storage, this operation will also stop all virtual machines on the host. Virtual machines with high availability enabled will automatically migrate to hosts with sufficient resources in the cluster and restart. If the cluster to which the host belongs has local storage loaded, this operation will also delete all virtual machines and hard disks on the host. Please operate with caution. Finally, return to Overview to view the entire resource, topology, and capacity info information. The above completes the basic operation guidance of data centers, clusters, and hosts.